Let's start with the brain. Passenger kick panel. Remove this plastic piece and there you will see the brain, the body control module, the BCM. That guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 connectors there. Next, open the glove box and right in there, the keyless receiver. Yep. See, there's 3 wires. Power, ground, and communication wire that goes to the BCM to pin 6W on the BCM connector number 6. That wire is orange with the green stripe. Passenger front airbag. A string for the glove box. Back to BCM. Now, this is number 6 connector, and the wiring goes like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and so on. So this wire on the top row in the end is 6W. That's where the communication wire comes to from the keyless receiver. Now mind you, this car is not the advanced keyless and start system. If it was, then the wire from the keyless receiver would go to the separate module called keyless control module, which by the way lives next to the BCM. And then there's another wire from the BCM, from the keyless control module, that goes to this 6W terminal on the BCM. Okay. So when you press the button on your key remote, the keyless receiver receives, obviously, the input from your key and then transfers that command, communicates to the BCM, and the next thing you know, the BCM will command the actual door locking or unlocking. There is a DC motor in the door latch and actuator, which brings us to that component. Door latch and lock actuator. Obviously, there are four for each door, right? Drivers, passengers, two rear, but also one for the lift gate or the trunk lid. Back to BCM again. I told you, it's a brain for the accessories. Anyways, each door latch and lock actuator has the switches inside, which are actually the switch inputs for the BCM, so that the BCM knows if the door is closed or open, and if the door is locked or unlocked. So some of these wiring here, they come from the switch inputs from the door latches. Now, if you use your screwdriver and push on this latch, you will activate the switch inside, and the BCM will think the driver door is closed, but it's not. So much about, whatever. Now, if your car is equipped with the advanced keyless and start system, not this, it's a different key, it's a smart key, the advanced key, okay? Then you have a keyless antennas, one in the driver's door handle, the other one is inside of the passenger's door handle, and the third one, I'm talking about the exterior keyless antennas, the third one is in the back somewhere here at the behind the plate, and there are two interiors antennas also. Now, interior keyless antennas, one is located here inside, okay, and the other one is underneath the rear seat cushion, right there. Now, all these antennas each have two wires which go to the, as I previously mentioned, the separate module, keyless control module, antennas, as well as the two request switches, that is the buttons, one on the driver's handle and the other one on the passenger's door's handle. And yes, they go to the keyless control module, and then keyless control module is actually communicating with the brain, with the BCM, via the CAN network. Okay? There is a twisted pair, two wires twisted, CAN high and CAN low, that go to the BCM. Okay? Now, cars equipped with the advanced keyless and start system. Start is push button, you push the button to start the car. Anyways, there's also a keyless beeper that lives right there behind the, I don't know, somewhere there. And he goes beep beep when you press on the buttons on your key, your smart key, or if you press the request switch on the door handles. Now, if your car is equipped with the theft deterrent system, most likely you will find a theft deterrent control module behind this trim, and also you will have the intruder sensor somewhere around the interior light. Okay, the dome light, and also you will have a theft deterrent siren right behind this trim in the trunk. Yes, a siren alarm. Okay. Did I mention the intruder sensor? Now something interesting. See, this is the oil pressure switch right above the engine oil filter. And there's a single wire. And I thought, hey, that single wire goes to one of the terminals of the engine computer, the PCM. But no, it goes to the body control module. To be specific, it is a 4B terminal on the BCM, the top right wire there. It's hard to think and talk simultaneously. I'm tired.